Hello out there. How are you doing? How is everybody doing? To the traders out there, I hope you guys have been able to make some good money as you're about to wrap up the year. I hope you guys had a very good. I hope you guys had a very good trading year 2022. From the starts January up until this point, I hope you guys have been able to make some good money. I hope everyone has been able to click more withdrawals. Like you guys have been clicking withdrawals. You get me from those brokers, from XDEX, from Infinox, from Hot F. Man, whichever one you use. I hope you've been able to extract money from the market and actually put it in the bank or been able to use it for something. Just spend some money. I hope you guys have been able to do all that. Okay. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Desmond Dimo, and the actual essence of this video is to talk to you guys about a strategy that pretty much took my win rate, okay, from a little bit below 40% to currently where I'm at 85%. Yes, I said that 85%, because I hear a lot of people say, oh, I mean, if you have a win rate of 40%, blah blah, if you have 35% win rate, yeah, like, bro, come on, man. If your strategy does not work for the best part of 100%, you should check it. You get me? You should actually check it. Okay, discard all these things. Do it with all this shit that people tell you that you just need a win rate of 30%, 40%. Bro, are you for real? So if you have a win rate of 30%, so you want, so you're okay with losing money for what, 70% of the time? No, man, come on. All right. So once again, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be talking to you guys concerning a strategy that actually took me from a nobody. Okay, I'm saying from a nobody, like absolutely nobody had any idea who Desmond Imo was. You get me? Nobody has ever even actually picked up the phone to text me and be like, "Hi, Desmond, what do you think about this thing? I want to do this thing. What do you think about this thing?" But now these days, I get tons of DMs from everybody on WhatsApp, from Telegram, from Instagram. By the way, guys, if you're not on a part of my Telegram community, you can check the link in the description of this video. Okay, it's right underneath there. Just click on the link. It's gonna bring you straight to where I am. Okay, straight directly to where I am, where you get to, rub minds with other traders, with other skill traders, with other traders that I've actually trained, that I've actually taught my students. Okay, so my community members, you can rub minds with them. I think I have about 800 people there, so you can actually join and then rub minds. It's a very good thing to do. Okay, because it kind of gives you that inspiration to keep going, because you meet a lot of younger people, a lot of older people, like different people there, just sharing their knowledge, sharing their trade setups, okay, and all that. So you get to communicate with them and spend time together learning. All right, so quick one, let me just dive in. Please, if you want to actually get to learn about this strategy I'm about to show you, okay, my own approach to the market that has literally it took my win rate. Like, guys, you guys do not understand what it means to actually take trades and be right 80% of the time. And I know I'm not trying to be overly confident. That's why I'm saying 80%, but I can vouch. Yo, guys, listen. I don't want to sound like I know too much, but I mean, come on, man, come on. If you doubt me, once you join my Telegram community, check the history of the trades, man. Just go and check the trades, man. I can't even. It's so cool that I can't even. I think the last time I actually had a losing trade was it July? Was it August? I don't know, man. But I can't remember. Sincerely speaking, I cannot remember. You get me? So that is how effective it is. Like, I've been banging pips back to I trade everything. Is it volatility index? I trade that, everything synthetics. I trade synthetics. I trade the commodity. I trade stock. I trade forex, crypto, you name it, man. Because my approach, allows you to actually trade anything as far as there is candlestick involved. Yes, as far as you have candlesticks, as far as it has candlesticks, you can trade it, my guy. My girl, you can trade it on trading view anywhere, as long as it has candlesticks that you can analyze. you're gonna make money from me using my approach. Okay, so right about now, before I dive into that, please, I want you guys to actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let us build what's ours. This is something that belongs to us. Okay, this is our own community. So let's build it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys 5 seconds to subscribe to this channel, and then also please feel free to share the video, because I mean you don't know who's gonna need this anyway. But in five, in four, in three, two, one. All right, thank you very much. I hope you actually did subscribe. So let's dive in. So the truth about the market, about the foreign exchange market, the forex market is this. Now there are certain factors that actually drive price. Okay, there are certain factors that actually make price reverse. There are certain factors that actually push price further in a direction. Do you get me? And how do you actually get to make good use of this advantage? Because what I'm actually gonna talk to you guys about is gonna put you in the driving seat of your trading career, in the sense that you actually get to control pretty much everything that happens to you, as far as it concerns trading. You get me? So literally, there are certain things that reverse price, and there are certain things that actually push price further in a certain direction that it was headed before. And how do you actually know where the actual, because the market does not move linear. It doesn't move in a straight line. It moves in waves. Okay, we have a sec. Who's this? So we have like a peak, a trough. That's like for a downtrend. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. For a downtrend, you can have something like for a downtrend, you can have something like a high. You have a lower high. Let me just pretty much use this to show you. So this is the illustration of a downtrend. Okay, so you have, this is your high. Okay, this is your low. This is your lower high, of course. Lower low, lower high. Okay, lower low for a downtrend. You get me? Now, here's the thing. You want to start from the actual time frame that is pushing the overall price. Okay, I take it again. You want to start to analysis from the time frame that is actually driving. Like, you want to know the flow of the river. You want to know the flow. Like, what exactly is propelling, what is propelling this price in this direction? Why is this thing surging? Why is this thing dumping? What is happening? Because some of you guys come on the 5 minutes time frame, and then you see price going up, and then you say, okay, fine, it's an option, let me buy. And then the moment you click the buy button, it gets stopped out. You get me? So now, guys, here is where the top-down analysis comes in. Okay, the top-down analysis approach actually enables you to have a better view. I'm saying you can actually see 2,000 pips into the future. You can actually see 1,000 pips into the future, because you've been able to zoom out of everything. You zoom out of your screen, man. Imagine coming to the 5 minutes time frame, bro. There is just too many. Even if 4 hour time frame, there's just a lot going on, man. Sincerely, then even if you come down to the 5 minute, can you see all of this? How do you even make, bro? It's how do you even make anything of this? How do you make anything of anything happening on a 5 minutes time frame? Okay, you see all these minor moves, and you feel like it is actually it is an actual trend. Meanwhile, it's not. All of this could just be one whole candle on the 4 hour time frame. You get me? So here is where the top down analysis comes into play, man. Listen, I've been short oil. Okay, so I've been short crude oil. For those of you guys that are actually in my Telegram community, I sent the signal out. Okay, I sent the setup out, and then I gave them reasons why I was short crude oil. Okay, I've been selling crude oil as far back as, let me see, when was oil trading for $90 per barrel? As far back as November the 11th. Okay, so I've been short oil. If you doubt me, go back and check, man. You guys have Google. Check oil price back in November. Okay, so I've been selling oil since that time. You get me? Because I had like a bird eye view. I had so with this my top down analysis approach, I was able to actually tell where the market could potentially go and how many pips I stand to catch. I take it again. With this my top down analysis approach, I was able to actually tell, if the market was going to reverse at a point, and then in what direction was it looking to go, and how many pips, okay, in what direction was it going to go, and to the tune of how many pips. That is, how many pips do I stand to catch at the end of the overall move? And that was where I got in on oil. Let me just show you guys, man, so you don't think I'm just blabbing. Literally, this is the 5 minutes time frame. See how messy it is. Okay, so this is okay. I had been shorting oil. Okay, let me just get rid of this thing real quick. I've been shorting oil right from this point, okay, here. So why did I choose to short oil at this point? It's very very simple. It's very very simple, guys. Like, I mean, it's a no-brainer. Literally, you can see the double top. I don't even have to tell you these things anymore, man. The double top was glaring. It's literally glaring. You get me? So what I did was I simply went on the weekly time frame. Okay, so I started I plotted my key levels on the weekly time frame, as you can see there. Okay, because I was able to identify the previous structure, which was a downtrend, obviously. Okay, so this was a low here, this was a high. I mean, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, what have you. So we got to this point, and it failed to put a significant high, okay, a higher high at this point. Instead, it put a lower high, and I knew for a fact that at this point, this option was actually in jeopardy. So what did I do as at the time? I came down to my daily time frame. Okay, so when I came down to my daily time frame, I spotted something very 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 important, and that was a double top. You get me? So I spotted this double top on the daily time frame, and yo, listen, man, you guys also have to understand that this is happening in a significant time frame. This is not your 5 minutes time frame. This is daily time frame. This is weekly time frame. Okay, so literally the big boys of the game have actually told me that, Desmond, it's time to reverse. I want to head to the south. Okay, I've been going up. I'm tired. I'm tired. Let me just drop. I'm tired of going up, and that was exactly what happened right here. After this surge, I'm talking about since December last year. Okay, last year 2021 we've been buy 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 buy. So March 2022, June we came to put this double top here, and then ever since then we've been tanking. You get me? So, however, you guys, I don't trade on the higher time frame. I just come for directional buyers. Okay, I come to actually know in what direction is the flow of the river. That is exactly what I come to do. As simple as that. It's very simple. Like, I come on the higher time frame. I try and identify chart patterns. Am I seeing a double top? Am I seeing inverse head and shoulders? Am I seeing head and shoulders double bottom? What exactly am I seeing? You get me? So actually, being able to spot this thing at the higher time frame, then you scale down to the lower time frame, your 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes time frame, then you place the trade in the direction of the overall, trend, which the pretty much the big boy has told you anyway. But in the direction of that actual trend, so that you're able to use something as little as 30 pips, as 50 pips to catch 500, 1,000 pips. Yes, I said it. Something as little as 30 pips to 50 pips. So you can actually catch 1,000 pips, 200 pips, in fact, sometimes 3,000 pips, as the case may be. It's very, very simple, guys. Sorry, I'm shouting. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. But guys, it's very, very it's the best approach there is to trading forex. You get me? So what you want to do is come to the weekly time frame. I mean, obviously, I start from the monthly. You get me? So come to the weekly time frame. Okay, plot your levels. First of all, go on the monthly. What are you seeing in the monthly? Is it a double top? Is it a double bottom? What are you seeing? Is it a bearish engulfing candle? What are you seeing? Okay, then you come to the weekly time frame, and then you plot your key levels. So all these things you're seeing here are my key levels. All the trades I've taken, last year, this year, trading oil. Okay, so these are my key levels. As you can see, nothing moves them. I leave them exactly the way they are. I don't mess around with my key levels, because this is my money. This is my money. Okay, so I spotted this double top, and I knew that there is a problem. Okay, and I'm not happy about it because I am from Nigeria. Okay, I live in Nigeria, an oil producing country. If oil prices are tanking, it's gonna affect my country's economy. Okay, however, being a trader puts me in a position whereby I can capitalize on literally anything. I can make money on off of anything, like anything. You guys don't know how easy that is. However, it's not something that I'm happy about anyway. But I'm grateful that I can actually make something off the economic crisis happening. Okay, so now this is it. Upon seeing this failed higher high here, because this was supposed to put at least an equal high, but it failed. Instead, it put a lower high. So I knew that there was a problem. Okay, there was a problem, and then we broke back into. So this is a very strong level. Okay, don't forget, guys, this is a level coming from the weekly time frame. It is very crucial. So if price fails to break above, best believe there is something holding it back. Okay, so and that was this boy right here. So we broke above, we failed to sustain, we broke back in, and then we retested this. So even at this point, I scaled down to my 4 hour time frame because I spotted something again. For you to know that, man, fam, we are not actually done selling oil. Funny enough. Okay, so I spotted something very, 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 very sharp. And that was actually this break and retest here, head and shoulders pattern again. So we've had so we had double top on the daily, no, on the weekly, then head and shoulders on the daily, head and shoulders again on the 4 hour time frame. Bro, we are heading south, literally. So I've been selling, as you can see, I've been selling oil, selling this guy since I've been selling this guy for a very long time, man. I started selling, sell, 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 sell. Look at this, man. It's very, very simple. Very, very, very simple approach. Break, okay, retest of a minor level, you take buys to the next key level. I mean, this is a very, very simple thing. Having the overall view, it makes trading very simple. Like this is break and retest now. Like this is a surge up retest. Even if you use your Fibonacci, which is something I'll be talking about in my next YouTube video anyway. But even if you use your Fib, you can tell that this tapped into the 61.8, and you guys know that overall level target is always 100% retracement of the level. Simple and fast. Very, very simple and fast. Okay. Now, due to the fact that we are actually heading down in a downtrend, you come and look at this, man. Even if you're not taking trades, well, I took trades here anyway. I started selling here. Okay. I started selling right from when oil was actually trading at $90 per barrel as at the time when I started shorting this guy. I took shots here, and then I took my profit here. So and then I chilled. I waited to see what the market was going to do, because do not forget, this is the neckline of a double top. Do you understand me? So you want to wait and see how market chooses to react. And guys, we actually broke and retested, man. And I've been short this guy. I've been short this buy boy since. And my next level target actually for oil is $62 per barrel. You heard it here first. I sent this trade setup since out to my Telegram channel. Okay. I mean, first of all, we might come and encounter some sort of resistance here. Why? Because simply I look left. Okay, look left. You see that in previous times price actually had issues breaking that actual that point. Okay, so that's why I put that my toolbar, my rectangle, my what's it called, horizontal range there. Is it a ray? Is it a range? Hold on, let me just get it. I've forgotten the name of this thing, guys. Yeah, horizontal array. Yeah, yeah, I got you. So literally, I put this here because yo, if I look left, I see problem. I see a minor hiccup. Okay, I just see a slight issue. So let me just extend this so you guys can see what exactly I'm talking about. Yes, as you can see. So I see a problem here. I see a problem there. You get me? That is why I actually put my bar there. I'll take out 50% of my profits, and then obviously the rest here. Okay. So that is that about that, guys. Top down analysis enables you to actually catch significant amount of pips in the market and actually trade and relax, which is the best way to trade anyway. Trade and relax, set and forget. Okay, guys, that is about the end of this video. And please, like I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let us build our own. Okay, feel free to share this video. Okay, feel free to actually join my Telegram community. The link is in the description of this video. You see it right there. Click there and you see it. All right, guys. Bye for now, and I hope to see you guys some other time. And I actually hope to see you guys in my Telegram community as well, because I want to meet you. I want to share my knowledge with you. I want us to rub minds. Okay, I want us to rub minds and share ideas about trading. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much, and bye for now.